Hi everyone, welcome to Essex Dave Goes Walkabout. In today's video I'm going from the central market all the way up to mid-levels via the mid-levels escalator and exploring some of the cross streets along that way, and also visiting some beautiful buildings like this one. First time to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Here's a bit of a visual clue for the second part of my journey. A man, a mountain and an escalator and an arrow going up. Today I'm going to walk through the old central market and then onto the mid-levels escalator and then up into mid-levels and see what I can find. This originally was the old wet market. Fresh fruit, fresh vegetables. All these places now where you see these trendy cafes, they were all like individual stalls where people would have sold the daily produce to everyday people. The market was originally built in or construction began in 1938 and it opened to the public in 1939, and it's built in Bauhaus style, and there is another Bauhaus style market down in Wanchai, but in my opinion it's not as good as this one. It's only been open again after 2 years. It's only been open for 2 years. The original market closed in 2003 and then it was dormant for ages. It was just a crumbling building, and then they decided to renovate it and do something with it, and this is what we've got now. So pretty nice. So this is the actual beginning of the mid-levels escalator. It does just basically go straight up the side of a mountain, and it's got a few cross streets along the way. Maybe we can stop and have a look. Here we go. So construction here began in 1991 and it took 2.5 years to finish, and it opened early one morning in 1995, and it cost a whopping 250 million Hong Kong dollars, way over budget. Some people now even think that it is a white elephant project. I don't really know about that. You have to make up your own mind. People do seem to use it quite often, and I'm sure for the people who live up there it is quite a convenient way to get down from the mountainside. This time of day it's taking people back up, but early in the morning the direction is reversed and it brings people down much quicker. So that's one of the unique features. If you come here early enough, this will be going round. course, the escalator has been good for the businesses around here. It's made it easier for the customers to come along. On this cross street here we've got Hollywood Road and the old Magistrates Court, Magistracy I think it is, 1919 it's got over there. Another lovely renovated building. And this is part of the Tai Kwan complex. Another old colonial section. Again, it took years and years and years to fully renovate it. Let's go in and have a look. This is the Tai Kwan complex, Edwardian in style. We'll just do a quick 360. You can see everything. Fantastic verandas. Took years and years and years to renovate it, but totally worth it. It's starting to thin out a little bit now, not so many people. Always good to get photobombed. Elgin Street, another nice bit of Soho, again restaurants, Argentinian steakhouse, redevelopment, it's a big word. There's the view so far of what I've come up, different sections. All the way up to here. This is Prince's Terrace, which is a side street, a cross street off of the escalator, and it's quite a nice little quiet corner hidden away. Really nice old tenement building there, walk up one. Some of it has been renovated, looks quite modern, and look at these old granite steps. Wow. Here's something of interest. Prince's Terrace. It's actually a private street. So I guess that's why something like these old balustrades here can survive in such disrepair. a nice quiet little cul-de-sac anyway. Here's an unusual one, an unusual name, Redneck Zeller Terrace. Of course, if you look very carefully, you can see that Redneck Zeller, spelt backwards, is Alexander. So, was this done on purpose, or was it just a mistake by the people who made the signs? Nobody knows. I'm going to have a look down this terrace just to see if it can get any more weird. Another nice little quiet area. I've even got it in massive letters up there, look. And finally, here we are, number 30 Shelley Street, Jamia Mosque. Looks very nice. Let's go in and have a look. As far as I know, this is Hong Kong's oldest mosque, built around 1900, late 1890s, I think it was. Interesting colour. Well, I wasn't expecting to see this. That is one really, really old building. Inside the mosque grounds, there is the small minaret. The mosque was rebuilt in 1915. Spiral staircase up to the minaret. Towers behind all the modern skyscrapers, mid-levels. And then here an old world charm. The pigeons just love it here. getting pretty close to the end now. It's been 800 meters all the way up. Different escalators and walkways. The end. The end is on Conduit Road. There's the sign over there. So what goes up must come down. I've got to walk the 800 meters down the steps all the way back. Back in the entrance of the Central Market.